Our mission at Austin Eye is to perfect the vision of the lives we touch each day.
Hi. Good morning. Welcome to Austin Eye.
Amazing. So what's my Tesla Cybertruck? I cannot wait.
The doctor's going to take great care of you.
Oh, thank you. We're ready for you, Mrs. Johnson.
Oh, great.
Oh, you look so much better without your glasses.
Oh, thanks.
You're seeing 20/20 today. Your eyes look great.
Now we're going to get some images of the back of each eye.
I can't believe how much better I can see now.
Your eyes look great.
Our flagship office in Austin, Texas, embodies our mission to create an elite team of eye surgeons, doctors, nurses, and staff
We're gonna sit you up now. You did great.
I didn't feel a thing.
They scored on the final play.
to deliver the very best surgical eye care for people who want to see their best and to enjoy life to its fullest.
Thank you for calling Austin Eye. This is Gina. How can I help
Thank you for calling Austin Eye. This is Kara. How can I help you?
The lens works the best for patients with radial care. If you visit our practice, our team will take great care of you in a compassionate, knowledgeable, and professional manner.
Just seeing perfectly, man.
Awesome.
Your experience should be second to none.
Just relax. Things are going to go great.
Okay, Mike, today's your big day. We're going to help you see young again.
Here's your post-op bag.
Thank you. You guys are awesome.
So for those individuals who reach the point in life that they want to see their best and improve their vision through LASIK, premium lens replacement, or cataract surgery, we invite you to visit us at Austin Eye. Thank you for your trust and confidence.
I had such an exceptional experience.
Where our vision is perfecting yours.